Then fourth one is face seal.
क्लास
Yes, sir.
वीडियो दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remaining part of this video I'm going to show you.
That after wearing this ACBA, after putting the face mask onto your face, then you have to check whether that face mask is sealing your face area or not, that sealing completed or not. That last one check, that fourth check. Okay. So how to wear ACBA? Now, either coat method. There is two methods for wearing ACBA. Either coat method, like that you are wearing your coat. कोट कैसे पहनते हो? एक हाथ डालते हो, दूसरा हाथ ऐसे डालते हो ना, like that. Otherwise, two hand method. That will again I will tell you later on. Okay. So first coat method. How to wear ACBA by coat method? Simple. Like this. Okay. Now you have to adjust this cylinder should be as much as high on your back side, you feel comfortable. For that, what you will do? Just hold that ghost straight in your both hand and give one jerk to the cylinder like this and pull this both straight downward. Okay. Once more. Now it is adjusted on your back side. Okay, your cylinder is as much as high on your back side, you will feel comfortable and better. Because you are going to enter in confined spaces. Maybe there is thick smoke, so there will be zero visibility may be there, maybe. Nothing is seen. So, some of area you have to walk like this inside the smoke. That will be good method. You will be something you can see. Because standing position you can't see. So as much as you go down, you will clearly you can see something and you can move forward. Understand? Then adjust this. Put this waist belt. This waist belt adjust according to your body structure. अगर कोई मोटा है, तगड़ा है तो according to his body structure he will adjust this straight. Now see, I adjusted it. You have to very close, wear this, attach this ACBA with your body closely, perfectly. Okay? Now, this next step, put in your neck, then make sure all straps should be fully loose. This buckle, pull this buckle and okay. Suppose this is like this. So what you will do? Pull this buckle downwards and okay, pull it. It will loose. So all straps should be fully loose. Then put your face into the face mask and adjust it. Okay. Then from lower strap, you have to start tightening, holding both lower strap, this, and pull it backward side, equal pressure. Pull it backward side, applying equal force. Okay, both straps should be equally tight. Then uppermost both strap, then singlemost that top strap. Okay, now you can. Then single mode. See here, if nothing comes out from outside of the, nothing comes out means okay. Ceiling is okay. Put your hand here, you can check, and it is collapsing. If you are in yellow, it is collapsing. Okay, then it is okay. Now, while they close, this you have to attach here. Okay? But before attaching, make sure this valve is open. This. Then again, put the reset button. Press reset button, then open valve. Now see, this valve is open. Now, I am okay. I am ready with this breathing apparatus. Okay. I can go inside the expository compartment. I can go inside the confined spaces. I can go inside the put on this helmet. How put on helmet like this. और वहाँ पर आपके पास फायर फाइटिंग हेलमेट होता है. फायर हेलमेट जिसको बोलते हैं, ये हेलमेट नहीं, फायर हेलमेट. आपका रियलिंग एल्युमिनियम सूट फायर हेलमेट होता है, ठीक है. बट आई एम वेयरिंग दिस हेलमेट. First of all, lose it. Okay? Again, whatever you have lose it, tight it from here. Fully tight it. Then, when you are going to open this valve, after opening the valve, see that you can see the pressure. You can see the pressure. Okay? Understand? Again, you have to see the pressure, whether it is okay or not. Then attach demand valve. Now okay? Then attach demand valve. Now okay? I will do firefighting in closed space. I will do firefighting in smoking compartment. I will rescue an injured person, a casualty from the hazardous area. Okay, after completion, again, remove. How to remove? Then first of all, remove the demand valve first.
See, class.
Yes, sir.
For removing, you have to press that step. You have to press on the face mask. ठीक है, क्लिप इज देयर. तो वहाँ पर उसको दबाना है, प्रेस करके रखना है. Till the demand valve not removed, you have to keep pressing and then take it out.
Okay, after pressing here, see. This you have to press completely. You have to press here. Okay, you have to press here till the demand valve not removed, and then this reset button. You have to press reset button and till demand valve is removed, you have to keep pressing here. See, something is going here. Two clips is there, which is locking. That clip is locking here. Once you press here, that is away. It will release this locking. Okay? Now you have to first again lose the string and remove the then release again. What you have to type, again you have to lose it. Lose it by like this, doing like this. Do like this.
क्लास, अब फेस मास्क को जब रिमूव करना है, निकालना है, तो यू हैव टू लूज इट फ्रॉम टॉप मोस्ट स्टेप. यू स्टार्ट लूज इट फ्रॉम टॉप मोस्ट स्टेप.
Yes,
जब
sir.
इसको पहनते हैं तो लोअर मोस्ट स्टेप से स्टार्ट करते हैं टाइटेनिंग, बट जब लूज करते हैं तो ऊपर वाले से स्टार्ट करते हैं लूज करना।
बकल को उंगली लगा करके उसको लूज करना है। सी हाउ टू लूज इट। ओके, fully lose it, then remove it. Once it is removed, for this also you have to remove the waste belt. Then lose here also. See, put your, okay, now it is loose and you can remove it. Yeah, you can keep it. Now one second method, how to put on very fast. That is very fast method. You have to
क्लास
Yes, sir.
अभी एक दूसरा मेथड है जो टू हैंड मेथड बोलते हैं जिसको, तो इसे आप जल्दी से जल्दी पहन सकते हो, ठीक है। वो अभी दिखाने जा रहा हूँ।
hold like this, okay. See, this is also one type of one method. Then again adjust your cylinder, then put the waste belt here, again make it according to your body structure. Now okay, again put on face mask. Okay, put on face mask. Same thing. You have to put face mask. Then put this face mask into your face. Seal it properly tight on 5 step. Open valve and connect the demand valve to the face mask. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One more full check is there. One more full check is there. After wearing this set, you have to do. Okay, after wearing this face mask, connecting this demand valve full. After on this main valve, cylinder valve. Inhale, take some breath, take long breath, close the valve and see the pressure gauge. See the pressure gauge. Okay, after closing the valve, see the pressure gauge. It should not, the reading should not fall more than, and hold the pressure. Don't breathe then. Hold the pressure and see the pressure gauge. It should not fall more than 10 bar in 5 seconds. The reading should not fall more than 10 bar in 5 seconds. That is again, that full system checks. You have to check it also. Okay, then you have to proceed into the compartment. You can see now. Okay. Again same. Reset. Then open valve. See the pressure gauge. Pressure is showing here. Okay. Once pressure is shown, then okay. And this is actually what I will do first. What will do? Close the valve. Take breath and close the valve and see the reading. I will take long breath. Hold breath and then close the valve. Okay?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now again I am going to remove this. Okay, first lose the this. Then lose the face mask.
Hello, Moto.
हेलो अखिलेश भाई नमस्ते।
Okay, lose this also.
मैं यहाँ क्लास ले रहा हूँ।
Then lose
क्लास
this buckle.
हाँ आधे घंटे बाद।
Lose from this buckle. You will do like this, it will lose and remove the shape from your shoulder. So, okay. Now I completed their main component. There are three parts. I taught you what are all three parts, what is their use, how to again assemble the BSA from the cylinder, then how to wear it by coat method, either two-hand method, and how to remove after completion of work. Okay? So it is understood you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That four checks is basically very, very important. Before going to wear any such BSA, you have to complete four checks. That is visual checks, pressure checks, warning whistle checks, facial checks. Now understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So it is completed now.
Okay, class. Class.
Yes, sir.
So it is understood to you?
Yes, sir.
Everything is clear
Yes, sir.
to you?
Got it, sir.
सब समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now refilling. How to recharge cylinder? How to refill cylinder?
Yes, sir.
After getting empty, how to refill cylinder by breathing air compressor. This video I am going to show you.
In every operation with ACBA,
Class, it's okay for you?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see this video? वीडियो दिखाई दे रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आवाज क्लियर है?
हाँ, sir.
सेल्फ कंटेंट ब्रीथिंग ऑपरेटर्स आप लोगों ने ऑपरेट किया था ड्यूरिंग फायर फाइटिंग, ड्यूरिंग रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन, when you are going entering into enclosed spaces, then this cylinder is empty now. Then somewhere it will be empty. Okay. So you have to again remove the cylinder and charge it fully. तो फुली चार्ज प्रेशर इसका वर्किंग प्रेशर 300 बार होता है, ठीक है. कुछ सिलेंडर 200 बार में चार्ज होता है वर्किंग प्रेशर. ओके, सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट रिमूव द सिलेंडर फ्रॉम बैक प्लेट. अब कैसे रिमूव करते हैं? फर्स्ट सी द प्रेशर इन द प्रेशर गेज. यहाँ पर प्रेशर देखना है. देयर शुड बी नो प्रेशर इन द प्रेशर गेज. इफ इट इज जीरो, नाउ यू कैन सी प्रेशर इज जीरो नाउ, सो इट इज ओके. यू कैन ओपन इट फ्रॉम हियर. अगर यहाँ पर कुछ प्रेशर दिखाई दे रहा होगा, there will be some pressure in the pressure gauge, then it will not open because of the pressure acting whole the system. So you cannot open. You have to release that pressure from the center of button in the demand valve. You have to press the center of button, then that pressure will release, then only you can open. Now it is zero, so we can open it. Now it is zero, so we can open it. Fully open it. Lose this attaching strap to back plate, cylinder attaching strap to back plate, then remove that back plate and keep it separate, safe place. Now this cylinder is empty, so we have to charge the cylinder up to its working pressure. So we have to charge up to 200 bar pressure because this breathing air compressor is charging up to 200 bar, and safety valve is set up to 225 bar. So when that pressure is going more than 200 bar, up to 225 bar, then that safety will be released. Safety will be operated. Understand? For safety of this compressor, this is set up to 225 bar. Now understand? So now keep this cylinder into half-filled bucket of water. Why you are keeping this cylinder into the half-filled of water? Because of if there is hot climate, if you are charging a cylinder in hot climate, so from atmosphere, that hot way means that hot air is coming into the this breathing air compressor, that is sucked from the inlet, that same air, hot air, and that again by the compressor, when it is compressed, it is again becoming hot. When it is compressed, it is become more hot. Then that more hot gases after this first, second stage, after third stage, means from this cartridge, this filter, finally it is going inside the cylinder. That is again becoming hot. That's why it will become hot, and this cylinder will become too hot. So avoid it is too hot, so you have to place the cylinder into the half-filled bucket of water. It will get cooled while charging also. Now understand? Yes, sir. Now take out this adapter from its retainer. Now lose the retainer, it is secured here. Then open this also. And this is adapter. This adapter has got pressure gauge. This is also again showing while cylinder is getting pressurized. So whatever it is charged, that will be shown here in the pressure gauge. Okay. On this adapter, you can see clearly one O-ring. This O-ring, you have to make sure that O-ring should be there. So at
class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सब लोग देख रहे हो ओरिंग?
Yes, sir.
एडाप्टर में भी ओरिंग होता है, ऐसे सेम साइज वही ओरिंग होता है बैक प्लेट में भी. जो सिलेंडर को अटैच करते हो बैक प्लेट में भी सेम ओरिंग होता है,
Okay, sir.
सेम साइज. ओके, दैट ब्लैक कलर का आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके, दैट इज ओरिंग.
attach the cylinder with the adapter. How to attach? See. Align करते हुए and very slowly tight it fully. you are going to operate this breathing air compressor. This is a machine. Okay. So whenever you are going to start any machine, you have to make sure that their sump level oil level should be incorrect. Okay, incorrect position. So you have to see the oil level in this. 2 cut mark is provided. So between 2 cut mark, at least.
क्लास
Yes, sir.
तो ये देख रहे हो, इसका नाम डिपिस्टिक है। डिपिस्टिक को निकालते हैं संप से, ठीक है। सभी इंजन में लगा होता है ये डिपिस्टिक, ठीक है। तो वहाँ से उसको निकालते हैं एंड यू कैन सी द संप लेवल ऑयल,
So
ऑयल इन
TPC.
संप। डिपिस्टिक इसका नाम है।
अच्छा, ओके सर।
तो उसमें 2 कट मार्क होता है, 2 कट पोर्शन है, ठीक है।
यस।
तो ऑयल लेवल शुड बी मोर देन हाफ। वो दोनों कट मार्क के बीच में जो एरिया है, स्पेस है, तो उसके हाफ से थोड़ा ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, मीन्स 3/4 होना चाहिए। ओके।
यस सर।
कम भी नहीं होना चाहिए और ज़्यादा भी नहीं होना चाहिए, तो एटलीस्ट 3/4 होना चाहिए। ओके।
यस सर।
Oil should be between 2 cut mark. So you have to make sure. Okay. एक वो दे दो, clean with one cloth.
Class.
Yes sir.
So this oil is very very important. ये ऑयल किसी भी इंजन के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। ऑयल क्या करता है?
Lubrication.
लुब्रिकेशन के लिए। वेरी गुड। ओके। अगर ऑयल नहीं होगा तो आपका इंजन गर्म होकर के और लास्ट में सीज हो जाएगा।
यस सर।
हमेशा के लिए बंद हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो दैट्स व्हाई ऑयल चेकिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
Again, put it inside the sump and take it out. See the oil level. It is okay now. So once you confirm that oil level in the sump is okay, then give connection to the electric connection. Now you can turn this compressor by hand also from here. This fine blade is there, so you can turn it.
क्लास।
यस सर।
तो कोई भी मशीन जब स्टार्ट करते हैं तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले बहुत दिनों से अगर बंद पड़ा हुआ है तो उसको बाई हैंड एक बार उसको मूवमेंट दे देना चाहिए, बाई हैंड टर्निंग कर देना चाहिए।
ओके सर।
ओके।
Okay. Then open this condensate valve. The third stage valve, you have to open this valve. Okay. Because it should be free load. It should not directly on load. So open this valve, condensate valve. Now open this adapter valve. Then open main valve. Now you can see the cylinder is empty up to this much. Still in this cylinder, pressure is there up to 170 bar. 170 bar still pressure is there. Now we have to charge up to 200 bar. Okay, we have to charge up to 200 bar. Understand? So still pressure is there 170 bar. Now operate the starter. Now first of all, let the compressor run for 1 minute, at least 1 minute. Okay, let the compressor warm up. Okay, then we'll put on load. Then we'll put on load. Understand? Now once we will close this condensate valve, then air will go into the cylinder. जब ये वाल्व को बंद करेंगे तब एयर जाएगा सिलेंडर में. अभी एयर क्या हो रहा है? फ्री बाहर जा रहा है. ठीक है, अभी कंप्रेसर को हम गर्म कर रहे हैं, थोड़ी देर चला करके वार्म अप कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि बहुत देर से, बहुत हो सकता है कई दिन महीनों से बंद पड़ा हुआ है. सो डायरेक्टली इसको लोड पर नहीं डालते हैं. ओके, नाउ आई एम पुटिंग ऑन लोड. Now it will be getting charged, but very slowly, very slowly. See, it is getting charged now. Very slowly, slowly it will charge. We will charge up to 200 bar, then we will stop. Then during cylinder is getting charged, after every 10 to 15 minutes, you have to release the moisture. Moisture is getting collected here. Okay, so you have to release the moisture from condensate valve. Okay, so I am releasing the moisture. You can see that moisture.
Class.
Yes, sir.
So every 10 to 15 minutes after compressor running, that moisture accumulated in the atmosphere, that is getting collected, sucked through the inlet, and it is getting collected in the filter at the bottom portion of the cylinder. And every after 10 to 15 minutes that you have to release
Yes,
that
sir.
moisture. Okay, open the condensate valve, you will see moisture is released. Then again close the valve. Again the cylinder
सर
will
कितनी
be
देर के
getting
लिए खोलेंगे?
10 से 15 मिनट.
ओके सर.
10 से 15 मिनट हो जाता है तो उस ड्यूरेशन में एक बार मॉइस्चर रिलीज कर दो.
ओके सर.
Moisture is accumulated in this filter, below this filter, that will be discharged. Okay, once you open the condensate valve, moisture will release. Okay, now cylinder is charged. Cylinder is fully charged. Stop. Okay, once compressor is stopped now, then close the main valve of cylinder. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? वाल्व को बंद करेंगे. So for this cylinder, you have to lift the valve and then rotate it clockwise. Lift and rotate. rotate. It will close now. Okay. Once it is fully closed, okay, then release this pressure. इसके बीच में प्रेशर है. You have to release it. Now see, pressure release now. Then you can open here. Open this adapter. Okay. Now this cylinder is fully charged, so that this cylinder you have to attach with the back plate again. Okay. अब जितना भी सिलेंडर आपको चार्ज करना है इसी तरीके से you can take another cylinder, keep it in the this bucket, connect the adapter with the cylinder, then start the compressor. You can charge it now. Means इस तरीके से आप उसको भी चार्ज कर सकते हैं, करेंगे. ठीक है.
ओके क्लास.
यस सर.
सो जितने भी आपके एम्प्टी सिलेंडर होंगे इस तरीके से जैसे आपको दिखाया था वीडियो में, इस तरीके से सारे सिलेंडर को निकाल करके लाओगे कंप्रेसर के पास में और 1 बाय 1 करके इसको चार्ज करते जाओगे. जैसे फुल चार्ज हो जाएगा अगेन यू हैव टू अटैच विद बैक प्लेट. अभी अटैचिंग बता रहे हैं बैक प्लेट से.
हाँ, उसको अच्छी तरह चार्ज, इसको सेट करो, अच्छी तरह पूरा टाइट करो. फुली टाइटेड. कभी हाफ फेल्ड नहीं टाइट करते हैं. कभी भी जब टाइट करते हो टाइट इट फुल्ली. देखा, अब जाके टाइट हुआ. और आपने क्या किया था, थोड़ा टाइट करके आपको लगा था टाइट हो गया. ऐसे नहीं छोड़ना है, पूरा फुल टाइट करो एकदम अच्छी तरह से. ठीक है. देन तब इसको अटैच करते हुए इसको भी टाइट कर लो. देखो ये भी लूज है. ठीक है. अब इसको रख दो. अगेन यू कैन चेक इन द प्रेशर गेज फ्रॉम हियर. अगेन जब चेक करना है तो क्या करोगे, यू हैव टू प्रेस द रीसेट बटन हियर and then open valve. Now you can check in the pressure gauge. It is 200, means it is okay. Okay. Then close the valve, release that system pressure from press center of the button. Okay. और एक चार्ज करना है या अभी उसको बताएं.
Okay class, so it is understood to all. क्लास.
यस सर. यस सर.
चार्जिंग समझ में आ गया. रिफिलिंग.
यस सर. सर ये चीज हम वहाँ आके करेंगे ना सर मैनुअली खुद से.
हेलो. हाँ बोलो
सर. मैं ये पूछ रहा था सर, ये चार्जिंग और सब सर जो प्रैक्टिकल है वहाँ के होगा ना हमारा.
अगर सिचुएशन परमिट करेगा तो करने को मिलेगा.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. ओके. ये सब कराया जाता है यहाँ पर. ये सब जो भी आपको दिखाया गया है वो सब यहाँ पर कराया जाता है, बट अगेन अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन. ओके.
Yes sir.
So this period also completed and this SCBA dunning and charging, refilling. This topic is completed now. Okay, care and maintenance and refilling of extinguisher will be again after tea break. Okay, I am closing it.